how do we find the value of x plus y in this simultaneous equation? So let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So from equation 2 we have xy equals 18. So let's divide both sides of this equation by x. So x cancels x on the left, so we have y equals 18 over x. So we call this equation 3. Now we sub equation 3 into equation 1. We just substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So we have x squared minus, in the place of y we just replace it with 18 over x. So we have 18 over x all square equals 27. So this implies that we have x squared minus 18 squared over x squared equals 27. So we have x squared minus 18 squared is simply 324 over x squared equals 27. So now we just multiply both sides of this equation by x squared. So we change this to multiplication, we have x squared. So x squared times x squared we have x raised to the power 4 minus x squared times this we have minus 324 equals 27 times x squared, that is 27 x squared. So we can now rewrite this equation as x raised to the power 4 minus 27 x squared minus 324 equals to 0. So when we factorize this guy, we are going to have x raised to the power 4 minus 36 x squared plus 9x squared minus 324 equals 0, because minus 36 plus 9 gives minus 20x squared minus 27x squared, and minus 36 times 9 gives minus 324 x squared, x raised to the power 4. So now x squared is common here, so we have x squared into x squared minus 36 plus 9 is also common here, so we pull it out. We have 9 into x squared minus 36 equals 0. So this implies that x squared minus 36 times x squared plus 9 equals 0, which also implies that x squared minus 36 equals 0, or x squared plus 9 equals 0. So when this guy comes to the left, we have x squared equals to 36, or x squared equals to negative 9. So square root of both sides, we have x equals to square root of plus or minus 36, or x squared equals to, square root of plus or minus 9. But we are going to ignore this guy because we are going to obtain something complex, like complex solution of 3i. So we are going to ignore it. So when we consider x equals to square root of plus or minus square root of 36, we are going to have plus or minus 6, which implies that x equals to 6 or negative 6. So when x equals to 6, let's call it case 1. When x equals to 6, back to equation 3, we just plug in the value of x, which is 6. So y equals to, we're going to have y equals to 18 over 6, which gives 3. So y equals to 3. So for case 1, to obtain x plus y, we just add the values of x and y. So we have 6 plus 3, which is 9. So x plus y equals to 9 for case 1. So now, when x equals to negative 6, so back to equation 3 again, we just plug in minus 6 here. So we have y equals to 18 over minus 6. So when we divide these guys, we have minus 3. So x plus y equals, what is x? Minus 6. And what is y? Minus 3. So we have minus 9. So therefore x plus y equals to minus 9. So in general, x plus y equals to plus or minus 9. So this is the required solution, because for here we have positive 9 and for here we have negative 9. So that's it.